Hey friends, welcome back. I'm Alice, and I'm really happy you're here today.
And I'm Adam. Today we're talking about something we all do,
Online shopping.
and sometimes returning things, haha.
It happens. Wrong size, wrong color, broken item.
So today we'll practice natural English for ordering online, asking questions, returning an item, and staying polite. Let's start.
Imagine you're on a website. You see a jacket. You can say, I'm looking for a medium. Do you have this in blue? Is there a discount?
And when something is very expensive, native speakers sometimes say, idiom. That costs an arm and a leg, meaning it's very expensive. Repeat with us.
Do you have this in medium?
Is there a discount?
Now it's time to buy. Useful phrases. Add to cart. Proceed to checkout. I'd like to place an order.
Sometimes websites ask billing address, where your bank card is registered, shipping address, where the package should go.
If everything looks good, you say, confirm order. Repeat with us. Add to cart.
Confirm order. Last month I ordered shoes.
And?
They arrived, but they were way too small.
Haha, like children's shoes.
Almost. I could barely fit my toes in.
So what did you do?
I stayed calm and wrote to customer service. Hi, I received the wrong size. I'd like to return or exchange the item. And it worked. Easy and kind.
When something is wrong, be polite. Useful phrases. I think there's a problem with my order. The item arrived damaged. I'd like to return this. Can I get a refund?
Refund means you want your money back. Repeat with us.
I'd like to return this.
Can I get a refund?
The company may say, please print the return label. Put the item back in the box. Drop it off at the post office.
If you don't understand, ask, could you explain that again? Do I need to pay for shipping? Repeat with us.
Print the return label.
Do I need to pay for shipping?
Remember, mistakes happen.
Stay calm. Be polite. Use clear English.
Companies usually want to help. Cart. Place where items wait before buying.
Checkout. The page where you pay.
Refund. Money back.
Exchange. Change for another item.
Return label. Paper for sending it back.
You did great today.
Now you can shop and return with confidence.
Keep practicing. Your English is growing every day.
We're proud of you. See you in the next lesson.